Okay, so for your homework, I will need you to complete situational writing from practice set 4. And the practice set looks like this, okay? So to help you, I will be reading out this poster to you. Okay, so we're going to complete situational writing. Remember that it's 10 marks. You're supposed to study the poster shown below carefully. So let's read. Fun Food Factory Tour. Date 12 October 2019, Saturday. Time 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Fee, which means how much a person must pay to go for this factory tour, is $25 per person, inclusive of lunch, which means that this $25 includes the amount of money that you need to go on the tour plus a meal, which is lunch. The Residents Committee of Taman Estate is organizing a trip to the following factories. Number 1, Dio Canned Food Factory. See how various types of food are cooked and processed before they are canned and delivered to shops. Number 2, Saggy Instant Noodles Factory. See how flour, water, and flavoring are turned into packets of instant noodles. Number 3, Rel Ice Cream Factory. See how different flavors of ice cream are made and packaged. If you are interested in joining the tour, please register before 1st October 2019 at the RC office at Block 175, Taman Drive, #0101, postal code Singapore 860175. For inquiries, please call 6789-1234. Let us now look at the task. You saw the poster shown on page 1. You want to go for the factory tour with your friend Jerry. Write an email to Jerry to tell him about the factory tour and to ask him to go with you. Okay, so remember, who are you writing to? You are writing to Jerry. Okay, so you will highlight Jerry on your worksheet. And why are you writing to Jerry? To tell him about the factory tour and to ask him to go with you. So let's highlight this as well. Okay, and then remember that um on our worksheet, okay, we also want to write down what are the 5 points that we must write. Okay, so it looks like there are 4 main points here. So let's try to see whether we can capture point 1. Yeah, I'm only going to guide you for part 1 and 2. Okay, the rest you will do it on your own. So label the points as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remember we will label the points so that when we hunt the previous page, right, we will be able to see the information clearly. Okay. All right, so why are you writing to Jerry? To tell him about the factory tour and to ask him to go with you. So I'll write this as number 1. Okay, let me write it as 1. Okay, so this is point 1. Okay, now, but remember, if I say I want to tell you about the factory tour, Jerry will not know what factory tour you're talking about. So let's try to look at the passage and see if we can find the name of the factory tour. And the name of the factory tour is Fun Food Factory Tour. So I will highlight this and I will label it as point 1. So I know that when I talk about point 1, I should write this point down. Okay, please follow me and highlight this. Okay, let's look at point 2. The 3 places you would be visiting. So let's look. I know that there were 3 places named. These are the 3 places here. See, 1, 2, 3. Let's highlight Duo Can Food Factory. Okay, and I'll write 2 as well. Then let's highlight Saggy Instant Noodles Factory. And I will highlight the last one as well, which is Rel Ice Cream Factory. Okay, so these are the 3 places which I must write in my email. Now, I want you to hunt for points number 3 and number 4, okay, which can be found over here. And similar to what I have done, I want you to highlight the answer and